How to enable voice chat on Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your phone. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on More, which is located on bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Settings. In Settings, go to Account Info. Then scroll all the way down till you find Verify My Age option. Verify your age by adding your driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit. Then click on Start Session. After you verify your age, you'll simply able to enable voice chat on Roblox. To enable voice chat, you will need to identify verification. That's how you enable voice chat on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.